Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the third question of our APS series, that is finding the maximum of subarray. Let's go. The question given here is to find the maximum subarray with the largest sum and then the return sum. Here you are given an input of array with name blocks, and the output you have to give is to find the largest subarrays having largest sum, and then return the value of the sum you have found. Now what is subarray? Subarray means continuous part of array. Let us see this with an example. For example, if we have an array 3, minus 2, 5, and minus 1, then let's take all possible subarrays we can calculate. Here I have taken 3 as a subarray, 3 minus 2 as a subarray, 3 minus 2, 5 as a subarray, 3 minus 2, 5 minus 1 as a subarray, minus 2, 5 minus 1 as a subarray, 5 minus 1 as a subarray, and 2 minus 2, 5 as a subarray. And here I have calculated all of their sum. Now from this, I can see that the subarray 2, 3 minus 2, 5 has the largest sum of 6. So here I am going to return the value 6 as given here. So let's see the code of this. The first thing we are going to have is an integer of sum initialized to 0. Then a variable to store the maximum. Here I am going to initialize this to the 0th position element of the given array. Now in the for loop, I am going to iterate through all the values of my array. Here I am going to calculate the sum of these array elements. Now I have to check if the value of sum is greater than max I have calculated. If yes, then simply update the maximum value to. Now, other thing I have to take care is to check if my sum value becomes smaller than 0, that is negative number. If yes, we have to update it to 0 so that our sum doesn't go wrong. Here, I have completed the for loop, and now the only task remaining is to return the max. And then I can run how to go see what I have. So here it is accepted and all 3 test cases has been